Let's go. Just nice to see that running. It's good. If you saw the Massey Ferguson 35 video, basically what that was is the cylinder head gasket was gone on it, and it was letting some air in the pistons, so well, unneeded air, so it was whining a lot and it wasn't getting as much power as it was, so I had to time it, replace the gasket. That's basically what was gone on it. You see, combine's no longer there because it's out there. 1056 is gone because Tom's gone up the road to get the trailer for the beans. So there's pallets over there that I need to get with the forklift. Hi Bella. Okay? Oh, hello Belle. Hello. Okay? Okay. I'm down. I haven't driven it since I was here last time, so I'm going to check the oil and things. Oh. So what are you at? You are fine. Great. So that's all good. Tom will be up in a second. Muck grab. Don't need the muck grab. I need to turn it off. I'll do that now. Hopefully it's depressurized. So they are. Good. Good. Does that work? No, it doesn't. I'm not a good cameraman. I need to put the pallet forks on. If you just want to do that. So hopefully that's going to be great. I'm gonna see how it works. I'm off by a tad, so yeah. Yay. Forks are perfect. Just that I was at an angle, I couldn't get them. But I've got them now. Wasps are an issue at the moment. That's what they are. That's all it. There we go. Tom's back with the tractor. Let's start unloading. There you go. Tom's just loading these bags on the pallets. Seems pretty cool though. Spin it around for it. There we go. So, pallets have been put down, seed bags laid, and that was actually done a few hours ago. It is 10 to 8 now. Did that around about 2, 3ish. Playing a bell now. And yeah. See that. Yep, so I put the forklift in the shed, which is done some more work on the combine. Balanced one of the belts for the speed, whatever it was. Can't remember what he said now. But oh, yeah. Gonna end this video. This is quite short. Depends if I edit it. Quite short. Then I hope. Thank you for watching. If you are still watching at this point, which I think you are. Yeah. Trying to get some more machinery videos done. In the meantime, if I can, well, record. If I have suitable places to record, then I'll do that. And yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let me have you.